Here is Ibretics. Welcome to Ibretics. In this video, I'm going to talk about Power BI PL 300 exam in 2026. How can you get that certified by Microsoft and become a data analyst in 2026? Don't forget to subscribe and so I can make more videos. And if you have any questions, just let me know on the comments. I would be more than happy to help you. So PL 300 exam is exam by Microsoft. So you're becoming Power BI data analyst. So that means that you are a data analyst and you are using the Power BI and you have expertise of the Power BI. And with this exam, you're going to show how you can leverage your knowledge of Power BI to become a data analyst in a company and how to bring the value in the company. So let's go to the topic. Microsoft certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate. This is the official name of the exam. You can go to learnmicrosoft.com and see the what are the topics about that. The price of the exam is changing based on the country where you are staying. For example, if you are in the United States, the price is going to be $165. Based on your location, it might change. So you go to schedule exam and you're gonna have the exam. If you would love to prepare for the exam and get the discount for the exam, there are some opportunities for you if you have DataCamp. So DataCamp is a platform where you can learn about data science, data analytics. So this video is not to promote DataCamp. I just would love to give you tips how to get 50% off for the exam price of the PL 300 exam. So when I say PL 300 exam and Microsoft certified data analyst associate, it's the same concept. So we can use it interchangeably. PL 300 is a code of that exam, right? You can get DataCamp. They almost always have the 50% off campaigns. And whenever you finish the Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst certification, by the end you get 50% off for the official exam of the PL 300 that you can use on Power BI Microsoft. Then exam itself is Openbook exam, meaning that you can use Microsoft Learn. It has become an Openbook since 2024, and that means that during the exam, you will have one part of the window in which you can navigate in Microsoft Learn and find an answer to the questions. So exam is 100 minutes. During this exam, you're gonna have different questions regarding 4 sections: data modeling, data preparation, data analysis and visualization, and managing the items on Power BI platform, Power BI online platform. So you can get familiarized with them on Microsoft Learn, but if you want to have a better deep dive and delve into the more complicated topics and to get a better understanding how the exam is going to work, I would recommend you to use Udemy. There are some courses in Udemy. I'm not going to, again, it's not promotional, I'm giving you tips. So you can select either this course here, PL 300 exam, by Nikolai Schuler. I used this one to prepare at the beginning. Either I've discovered later, but I didn't know beforehand. Either you can use Microsoft Power BI PL 300 by the, this one is by the Maven Analytics. So those guys are also good in this preparation. Once you finish, there are exam examples, like the question examples that you can use. For instance, this is the website where you can go, and in this website, people are using their experience, and they go to that website to share that this was the question that I had in exam of yesterday. So it's kind of community based. You go out to the community, you share your experience, you share the question that you had, and you answer that question, and you have the example of them. So it's very useful. You get very accurate description of the questions, and you can already beforehand have the roughly idea what kind of questions you can have during the exam. So this is the steps, like first step, Microsoft Learn, Udemy, after Udemy, Examtopics. And once you feel ready, you can go to PL 300 practice exams. There were several of them. I did a research. I used research on the internet, on platforms and on community discussions, and I found that this one here offers the best examples of the exam, and it's the hardest. The people say if you pass these exams, his example exams, you are almost ready for the exam. Like you're not 100%, but almost. I mean, this is the top readiness level that you could be for the exam. So once you did these steps, you go to exam, and don't forget that you are going to have the proctored exam, meaning that during the exam you will have to keep your camera open, and someone is going to surveillance you and see that if you are not copying, if someone is helping you. You're going to share your document. You might be required to share your documents and show around what is the room. If you have other devices in the room, they will ask you to remove the other devices. Good luck for the exam. Don't forget to subscribe, and so I can make more videos. And if you have any questions, just let me know on the comments. I would be more than happy to help you. Have a nice day and good luck for the exam. Just write when is your exam and keep the discussion. I will share all my knowledge with you that I can.